I've not talked to any individual. Excuse me.
You know, you're supposed to cough into your elbow. I don't know, sir. I learned that actually covering your White House.
Actually, that's true. But fortunately, I'm alone in my home. But that's okay.
All right.
I agree. You're right.
You should it's kind of old school to do it with your hand. Do it into your elbow. You're supposed to do it.
Thank you.
Let me ask you.
Out of the aircraft. I told you, non-compliance, you will have to get off. I didn't want to do this. You have to pick up your stuff.
What did we do?
I'm sorry. I want you off.
Okay, no problem. Just tell me what we did.
Non-compliance with the mask.
We're wearing a mask. Wearing a mask.
She's not wearing it.
The baby?
Wearing a mask.
A lot of babies are not wearing masks. We keep putting it on.
Wearing a mask.
A lot of kids not wearing masks.
Who's been sitting next to me? Was I wearing a mask?
He was wearing it the whole time.
Guys, was I wearing a mask all the time, everybody? I'm sorry.
But the kids not. This baby's.
I'll make sure he wears it. Everything's gonna be fine.
I'm sorry.
I'll make sure that they're wearing it, okay?
He's pulling it off.
Special needs child and a 2-year-old.
I understand.
Right.
I'm not my choice. Not my choice.
Whose choice? Let's bring him
Why
in.
would you make
Not my choice.
Right, bring him
waste
in.
time to do this?
I'm sorry, but she has to get up and you have to take your stuff and you have to.
I'm not.
She's just turned 2 a month ago.
I
It's
understand.
5 and up. What's the
She's
deal?
been trying to wear it. She keeps
Stop.
She's middle bathing.
exit out of the aircraft, or I will have to deplane the aircraft and call the police.
Keep your mask on.
Keep it.
It's any problem. Stop.
What do I do?
Okay, I'm gonna call the police, have them.
No problem. No problem. I've got my lawyer on the case.
Obviously.
A lady over here heard someone on the phone before we even got on the plane that they were planning this. Okay, what
Before
else?
I even walked on the
The
plane.
captain was okay with it. The whole plane was okay with it, but there was one African American that was not okay with it. Why? You're not complying. What do you mean, not complying? Pregnant lady. Baby that just turned 2. I could have got her a free seat and wrote that she's not 2.
Feel free
She
to
just
look at
turned 2,
my son.
but I paid for her seat because I'm honest. Baruch Hashem, happy ending. We're back on. Everyone's coming back on the plane. I think they removed that steward that wanted us off for no reason. So they removed him, and now we're all taking off.